The moment you hear a tire hissing, or you see the warning light and realize you are losing air fast, you understand why a spare tire matters. A spare tire is a backup wheel and tire meant to get you moving again after a puncture or a blowout. In many vehicles, it is stored under the trunk floor, mounted under the rear of the vehicle, or tucked into a side compartment depending on the design. Some spares are full size, meaning they match your normal tires closely, while others are compact temporary spares that are meant for short-term use only. The practical steps before you trust a spare are simple. Check that it is properly inflated, inspect it for sidewall cracks or tread damage, and make sure you actually have the tools to install it. After it is on the car, drive with extra caution and treat it as a get-you-home solution, not a normal tire. Another reality in the US is that some newer cars do not include a spare at all and instead come with a sealant kit or run flat tires. That means your plan for a flat depends on what your specific vehicle is equipped with, so it is worth checking before you need it on the shoulder of a highway.